Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2018 Toyota Prius Prime. This accident-free one-owner plug-in hybrid is powered by a gas-electric 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine and paired to a one-speed, constantly variable transmission that can get you just 4 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking in the hatch of the vehicle, you have a spare tire, which easily fits in your lots of cargo space, and you also have a storage compartment for your charger. Moving to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows with express up and down on all 4 windows. The steering wheel has your hands-free audio, your digital display controls, heated steering wheel, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. This vehicle currently has 95,026 kilometers. You have a large Bluetooth-ready infotainment unit, your automatic climate controls, gear select and drive mode select, your heated front seats, a storage compartment, as well as your power ports. These are premium cloth seats. In the back of the interior, you have seat pockets in the back of both front seats, access to 12-volt power. You also have 60/40 split folding rear premium cloth seats with a storage compartment and cup holders in the center. If you'd like to see this 2018 Toyota Prius Prime in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.